In front of me is XIAOMI 11T, and let me show you how to activate developer mode on this device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select About Phone, and here locate All Specification. And now click on New Version, tap on it 7 times. And as you can see, after that, you are a developer. To open developer options, you need to go back, scroll down to Additional Settings, and a bit lower, you will be able to find developer options now. Click to enter, and now you can smoothly use all of them. You can just by tapping and providing your pattern enable a lot of options, then you can deactivate them the same way. And also, if you'd like to switch developer options off, just mark the switcher, and from now on they are no longer active and also will disappear from this panel. Let me open additional settings again, and as you can see, it's no longer here. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.